Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the Alpari Broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select Alpari Brokers, and click on Go to Website. You enter the website, and then click on Open Account. In the Registration section, you select your country and click on Next. In the next section, you enter your email address and then your password for your account. We recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and that it be 8 characters or more. After entering the information, click on Create My Account. A code will be sent to your email. You then go to your email, and after entering the code in this section, click on Submit One-Time Passcode. Then on the right side of the page, you enter a 5-digit code that is also used for deposits and withdrawals, and click on Submit. After entering the 5-digit code, your account will be created. To complete your account and work with the Alpari website, you need to provide documents such as an ID card, birth certificate, etc. Good luck and success.